In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change screen timeout on Windows 11. If your screen keeps turning off too quickly, or you want it to stay on longer for reading, presenting, or monitoring a task. Adjusting the screen timeout is the simple fix. I'll walk you through it clearly and explain what each setting does so you can choose the best option for your needs. First, open the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That opens the main settings window, where you manage most of your system preferences. On the left side, choose System. This is the hub for display, sound, notifications, and power options. Once you're in System, select Power. Depending on your Windows 11 update, this might appear as Power or Power and Battery. Either way, it takes you to the same place where you can control how long your screen stays on and when the device goes to sleep. Look for the section labeled Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts, or simply Screen and Sleep on some versions. Here, you'll see separate drop-downs that typically distinguish between when you're on battery power and when you're plugged in. You'll also see separate controls for the screen turning off and for the device going to sleep. Screen timeout controls how long the display stays lit when you're not using the mouse or keyboard. Sleep is deeper. It pauses the device to save more power. Hibernate, if shown, saves your session to disk for even deeper power savings. Now choose the durations that fit your workflow. If you want the screen to remain on indefinitely, set the screen timeout to Never. This is useful for long presentations, watching something from a distance, or monitoring downloads and tasks. If you prefer a long but finite time, select something like 1 hour. That way, the screen stays on for a while, but still conserves energy eventually. For laptops, consider using a longer timeout when plugged in and a shorter one on battery to extend battery life. Keep in mind that leaving a display on for very long periods can use more power and, on certain panels, may contribute to image retention over time. Once you've chosen your timeouts, you're done. Your changes take effect immediately. If options look different or are grayed out, it may be due to a recent update, a managed device policy, or a battery-saving mode currently in effect. That's all it takes to control your screen timeout in Windows 11. Adjust it as your day changes, and enjoy a setup that matches how you actually work.